morning, welcome back to me again. I seem to have a pattern going on. I've got like a disappearing act, but I'm so excited because you know autumn is upon us. It is upon us and it's time to change up our makeup bags. It's time to get more autumnal. So I thought I'd do a little makeup look for you. What I reach for fall, and just do these lovely rich looks. I'm gonna probably speed up my foundation routine only because I'm using the BarePro, only because you've seen it a million times before, and oh my gosh, I'm not even using a mirror, what the hell. I've got a mirror there that I can't even see, oh my goodness. So I'll probably speed this bit up simply because, yeah, you've seen it before and it's like, but I know if you're anything like me, I like to see the foundation. I like to see the foundation go on. Anyway, so here we go, speeding it up. Okay, so base done, eyebrows done, bronzer done, blush on. I'm going for the matte, you know I love it. So I'm gonna prep my eyes first with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I've got a wish list. There's a paint pot called Bare Study, which has got like a sheen to it. And I'm like, how have I never seen this? So I'm gonna have to try that. And what's amazing is that Boots is now gonna be stocking MAC. I don't know if it's amazing. I kind of feel like it, you know, makes the brand less special, you know, you'd have to go to the department store to get MAC. I'm still a huge fan of MAC, like it's old school for me. There are some amazing products that I still love and would still buy, you know, so I suppose it makes it more accessible, so that's good. Right, now for the fun part. This comes out the minute August hits. I'm like, give me all the autumn vibes immediately. I am so, I can't even tell you. I am going to do a video of all my favourite autumn fall products, so what I transition to, because I think you should really kind of transition your makeup. I mean, you know. So I want to just show that, because I switch it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Chaser and Sourced, which are those two shadows there, and just sort of just dip them. They're so pigmented, my god, I miss these shadows. And I'm just gonna pop those in the crease really lightly. I mean, you don't even need to rub with these. I've got to say, yeah, I'd say Urban Decay is my favourite for shadows, really. And actually Too Faced as well, and there's that palette. I know I said I didn't want to buy any more palettes. The Too Faced Natural, All Naturals, the latest one basically, where it's all natural. Oh my god, I look at that and I'm like, it's funny because I've been watching not old school YouTubers, but YouTubers that are doing old school videos. Like, that's what that's what I want to watch. And sometimes I think, oh my gosh, you know, I should do vlogging, I should, you know, all of that. But why am I getting eyeshadow all over my freaking face? But then again, do I like to watch that? Not particularly. I like to watch people at home making a coffee, doing the makeup. That's what I like. So I kind of want to stick to what I like. I kind of get into a panic, you know, like, oh my God, what do I film? And then I plan to film a vlogging thing, but I just feel so uncomfortable doing it, you know? Right, so that's kind of like my starter point, my base point. I'm next going to go into the next shade, Low Blow. And I'm just going to concentrate that kind of on the edge, the outer edge. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to put this all over the eyelid. Oh my God. It's sort of like a creamy chocolate shade. Oh yeah, 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 that, yeah. Yeah, so I'm kind of trying to come up with ideas and stuff, and then I keep thinking, bring it back to basics, Shaz, for goodness sake, you know? I just want to create cozy vibes. That's it. I want to create all the feels. I like watching someone make a cup of coffee because it makes me feel cozy. I'm obsessed with feeling cozy. I really am. And I love just watching. I tell you who does fall really well, the American girls. My God, they do fall so well and I love it. You know, all the plaid shirts. Oh my God, I just poked my eye. All the plaid shirts, Pumpkin Spice Latte. I love it. I'm here for it. I'm basic as it gets. So I'm going to just put that all over. Oh my God, I dropped my little thingy. Oh, bums. Yeah, so now I need all my knits, my cardigans, oh my God, I need it all. So, you know. Okay, so we've put that all over the eye. Now, I'm going to take a slightly darker colour, which is called He Devil, and put that in the outer crease. So just literally just deepening up with all the same kind of shades. I want to keep this on the outside. I hope this is, I've turned my phone around because I feel like if I turn it around to the bit where I can't see, I think it films better. I don't know. And then bring this under. It's very difficult, you know, filming like this. Where am I? He Devil, yeah. So yeah. How are we all? I've been writing a few more blog posts because sometimes I feel like having a bit of a write. But yeah, I can't tell you how much I'm excited for autumn. Oh my goodness, it's just, I crave this time of year. And I mean, it's still August and I'm like, come on season, change. I'm over the heat, I'm over the sun. Do you know what I mean? Bring that under. You're asking about, oh yeah, my hair. I've put it up now so it looks a bit, you know. But I'm really happy with my hair. Oh my God. Why didn't I do this ages ago? Like, you get what you pay for. Do you know what I mean? She did the most beautiful baby lights, full head of baby lights all over. I'm just going to blend this out. You know, and you don't get any stripes. It looks natural. I mean, you know, and she's good with, you know, she's very good with blondes, and that's what I wanted. I wanted someone that knew how to do blonde. Because if you don't know, it's not great, you know what I mean? So I'm really, really happy with my hair, new hairdresser, and my nails. So really happy with that. Okay, so we've deepened that up a bit. We're going to deepen it up even more. So what did I use? I used He Devil. Okay, I'm going to go into Cayenne, which is that shade here. And I'm going to deepen it up a smidge more. And again, I'm going to just tap that on the very edge, but I'm going to keep my eye open. So if you've got hooded eyes, this is a good trick. So keep your eyes open so you can kind of get the shadow right up to that brow bone and just kind of bring it up a bit. Again, with these shadows, you just tap. Look at that. It's just so, I mean, this is just the most beautiful palette ever. And I just get so excited to use it again, you know. And the thing is with this, you can just carry on and keep going. And I like to bring it right under because I like this sort of ethereal Bambi eye look. Get your clean brush and again, just blend it out. Remember last year I did my Pumpkin Spice Latte look? This one, I don't know what this one is, but it's a look. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we can go deeper, but I think I'm going to leave it at that. Otherwise we'll be here all day. You know what I'm like. I'm going to be chatting and what have you. Okay, so now on the lid, I'm going to go for a sparkly, and I'm going to go, it's called Scorch, but if you're a fan of the Fast Show, you won't remember, if you're in the 90s, the Fast Show, Scorched El Scorchio, that's what I want to call it. And what I'm going to do with that is just take my finger, God, I love a sparkle, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. And it's like a burnished, it's a bit like MAC Antiqued. But you know, I like to have a bit of sparkle. And on the other eye. And it just gives that sort of, that oomph, you know? That brightness, that sparkle. So that's how I do my eyeshadows. I always do matte, 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 matte. And then I do a sparkle on the eye. Like that, okay? Now, you know, if you want to see it even a deeper look and want to go really smoky and you know, what's the word? Gothic? Not gothic, vampy, then let me know, I'll be happy to do it. But I'm just showing you like an everyday autumnal look for now. Okay, there we go. Then what I like to do is, I like to line my eye with a shadow. So what I'm going to do is, I saw someone do this the other day and I don't know if I can replicate it. So I'm just going to take this pencil brush because it's just easy to do for the moment. And I'm going to take this shade here, Ashes, which is a really dark aubergine shade. And I'm just going to concentrate that on the upper lash line. So it's going to create some intensity and a bit of smoke. God, I have not bought any new makeup for about, I want to say 2 years now. Like, to say I'm gagging for it is an understatement. Like, I need me some new makeup bits, I really do. I love the makeup stuff that I have, but you know, sometimes you're like, you know, I'd like some new stuff. So, you know, I want to get a new eyeshadow palette, but should I? Oh, I don't know. Definitely want to get some new lipsticks for fall. I want to get Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Okay, that went a bit too far. Don't mind, let's see. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's difficult when you're holding a mirror and thingy at the same time. You're like, ugh. You can wet your brush, but I like to, I don't want it so precise. I just literally want to kind of, you know, give a bit of definition on the eye there. You know what I mean? Just like that, so it's kind of like dark, making it a little bit darker, but I just quite like that. And I like to take just a bit under there and just a bit under there. I mean, looking at my face in this stark daylight is really like grim. You know, it's all this mask wearing, it just aggravates my face. I had the medical one and then I've changed to a material one, cotton one. But it aggravates my face. Even if it's on for like 5 minutes, I'm still getting like a rash, like a mask rash, all here where my mask is. Oh, sickening. Right, I'm going to go in with eyeliner now. And this is just my, what's this one called? Esquido, which is really good. It's like a gel eyeliner, but in a pencil. And I'm just gonna run that along the lashes. God, all hell is breaking loose. I'm just gonna bring that up so it's a really soft wing. See, you just get that nice kind of, you know, definition, but I like it to be, yeah, I want to try some different looks as well, I think. Oh, do I? God, I've missed my makeup. I've gone through these weeks of like not wearing anything and just working out, but then the other day I got dressed. And I went for brunch with my friend, and it was just so nice to wear normal clothes and put on your makeup and have your hair done, like, oh, you know what I mean? So I've put that on, and you can, if you work quickly with it, smudge it, but because I've been gassing as usual, it's probably dried now. No. I love this because it just is such a nice smudgy, I like a really lived in look, you know? Like everything's smudgy. Okay. Right, I'm gonna put my mascara on. Right, mascara on. Now, onto lips. This season, I always, there are a few lip colours I go to, right? And I will show you those all on my seasonal change makeup video. But what I'm gonna be wearing today is Maxall. This comes out every fall, okay? Maxall, amazing. Okay, line the lips. Like so. And then bareMinerals BarePro in Petal. Oh my God, you know I can't rave enough about this. It's just the most gorgeous matte lipstick. If you never was able to get on with the liquid matte lip, but you want to be part of the, you want to wear it, okay? Then try these lipsticks because, oh my God, they are like, they go on like balms, but they're matte, they do not budge, and Petal is the most beautiful shade. Again, if you don't want to go for those dark vampy lips, but you want to change up your lip colour from Nude, Petal is the one. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It's not too dark, it's not too light. Now, again, for those of you who say, I don't want a matte lip, I like to put a matte base first because that's gonna hold. That's kind of like your primer. It's what keeps everything from slipping off. And you can put a gloss on top. One of my favorites is this one by bareMinerals, and it's called Heartbreaker. And oh, look at that. My favourite lip products are MAC, Charlotte Tilbury and bareMinerals. bareMinerals, oh my God, and look at that. That's just made it glossy and it's made it a little bit darker, but I love that. There you have it. A fabulous, festive, autumnal look. So you've got the lips, you've got the eyes. You don't have to go too wild. It's a very wearable look. You can all just play with the colours. If you want something stronger, I'll do it for you. And stay tuned for my upcoming video where I'm going to show you all the palettes that I used during the autumn and all my lip colours. And this is what I will use now up until Christmas, January. I switch up my makeup bag, and I think it's good to show you what kind of colours to switch up to. You know, just change it up for the seasons. That's what it's all about, and that's what I really enjoy doing. I kind of like the switch, and once you get the hang of it, you know what you like, you know your colours, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was fun. I enjoyed doing it. You know what I'm like. And I will chat to you all soon. Bye.